Hi, to change alarm sounds on the Samsung Galaxy A34, let's find the clock app first. And for that, just swipe up to open the list of apps, and now let's use the search bar to find this app. And here it is. Now make sure that there is an alarm here, simply select it, and after that go on its sound. And now we have three options: this default Samsung sounds, Spotify, and Bixby alarm. So if you have Spotify account, you can add your favorite songs here for alarm. You can enable Bixby, and if you would like to change the default ringtone, just tap it, and here switch to any other option from the list. Now, after that, you would need to enable or disable to read time and alarm name aloud, and gradually increase the volume. And after that, simply go back to save the changes and adjust the volume for the alarm. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.